This is UL3122 fiberglass grade silicone rubber wire, which has excellent high and low temperature resistance, aging resistance, high temperature resistance, long service life. Rated voltage is 300 volts. Rated temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. It is suitable for various household appliance, lighting, electric heating products, drones, robots, industrial power, and other wiring. This is new energy electric vehicle silicone cable, which has excellent water resistance, high pressure resistance, acid and alkali resistance, and oil resistance. It is mainly used in new energy equipment, energy storage equipment, new energy vehicles, medical equipment, drones, robots, and other products.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.